Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Welcome to this edition of the RV Bandwagon.
Often I showcase some very interesting people and very interesting things. David Twigger's rig, as you can see here, is incredibly interesting, as is David himself. We're going to check him out and check out his rig and see what he's up to and what he's got to say. The one thing I can say is this rig is incredible. It's definitely a one-of-a-kind unit, and you have to see this to believe it. Every once in a while in our travels, I meet somebody that I totally connect with. This time it was David Twigger, and I met him because I saw his incredible truck here at the KOA. I soon found out that Dave was a very interesting gentleman.
This is our second big sleeper. The first one was a little shorter than this, and we really enjoyed it. It really helps when we're working, when we're tired, and it gives us a feeling of home from home. We call ourselves professional tourists. And this one's beautiful. Yeah, we absolutely love it. We just had it washed, that's why it's looking so shiny and clean. I never planned this for my life. I never dreamed I'd have something this amazing. A lot of people, they work hard all their lives and they don't get something like this. I just like to give all the glory to God. This kind of truck, well, first of all, you have to be able to make the money to pay for it, of course. We bought this one brand new, it was $320,000. We put our other truck down, but we didn't start off like this, we started off at the bottom, and it's really hard work. The first thing is to make sure that you never quit, just keep on working. What we did when we were looking at buying our first one was we worked the kind of work we were going to do with the company, and then we made sure we could afford it. Being an owner-operator, really, has been said before by other people, it's important to make sure you manage your finances well. Make sure you've got enough money. A lot of people, they get into this and they buy a brand new Mercedes and the truck breaks down and they don't have the money to fix it. I was actually speaking to an owner-operator some while ago in a truck stop, and he'd had 3 trucks that he'd owned before, and he was now working for a company, because he didn't manage his money very well. So it's very important. That's one thing I would recommend. Make sure that you're financially stable before you buy your own truck, because if they break down, if your repairs come in under $1,000, you've got a good deal, and they can be very expensive. In fact, our first truck, our very first owner-operator truck, which we needed to work for this company, was just a cheap thing. That's all they'll give you money for. And we'd not had it long, and it broke down, and it was $5,700. And our company helped us out. They're a great company. They helped us out to fund the repairs, but it was a bit of a shock when that happened, because if they'd not helped us, we'd have probably gone under. So it can be very expensive to repair one of these things. But it's hard work. I remember when I first started driving, the guys in class told me, this is not really a job, it's a way of life. But with a truck like this, what a way of life. Awesome. It's been an amazing life, and travelling and working, like I say, it can be tough at times, but once you get into it, it's an amazing life.
How do you keep it so clean?
We just had it washed, strangely enough.
All right, everybody, you gotta know this guy here. If you're ever here at the Barstow KOA, Ron is the man you guys want to hook up with. He will treat you guys right, get you in your spot, and make sure your shitter's pumped, all right? Yeah, he's the guy. So you guys make sure you take care of him, tip him well. He likes 20s and 50s. All right.